today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, a huge signal flashed for Bitcoin 2 or 3 hours ago. And I was actually posting over on Twitter about it. I was opening a very risky, small, but yet very risky trade on Bitcoin, which I am planning to scale up in the best case scenario. Of course, the question is, what direction is this next Bitcoin move going to be on? What is the price target? And what can we expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? We will talk about that, guys. Go down, smash up the like button. Yesterday we got like 9,000 likes or so. I think we broke the record of yesterday on Crypto YouTube. I'm very grateful for that. Now please do it once again and let's get straight into the content. I want to go very fast here into the talk about this specific Bitcoin move, the price target I am looking out for, what I was posting on Twitter earlier, and obviously also about my risky, small but risky trade, which I am potentially going to scale up to a few million US dollars. I will talk about what we have to keep in mind and what we have to look out for right now. And this is the thing. We will start here on the 1 hourly candles. This is the 1 hourly candles. Every candlestick represents 1 hour. Then I'm going to the 4 hourly and then to the daily, and I can promise you one thing. It gets more interesting the higher the time frame goes. So first of all, we are having this descending broadening wedge which broke out. I was actually posting over on Twitter a few hours ago, right here you can see it, my prediction 2 hours ago, that Bitcoin is testing resistance. Fast forward a few minutes ago, I was posting about this Bitcoin breakout where we were breaking out after I was showing you this pattern here. Now you can see the price target of this breakout on the hourly candles is 40,800 US dollars. Yes, would be fine, right? I mean, we saw a lot of fake outs recently. The interesting thing is, or the most important thing is to see, will we get follow through, right? I mean, 40,000, this is nothing where we jump up and we say, hey, the bull market has started once again, right? At least it could be a beginning. So as you can see, the measured move price target from this downward sloping descending broadening wedge is 40,800. Best case on the hourly, actually, let me go over to the 4 hourly. The 4 hourly candle is closing very shortly here at the time of recording. Best case is obviously that on the 4 hourly, we are getting a close above the resistance and then let me quickly go back. Very best case, we are confirming, we are retesting the previous resistance, which is then turning into support. But as I said, the higher the time frame goes, the more interesting it gets. As remember earlier, we got this M pattern breakdown. Crazy internet here. We got this M pattern breakdown. We broke down. We hit my price target, right? But what I'm asking you right now is, what is this? It's not only the support of the descending broadening wedge. No, we got a bounce at another point here. This is interesting to see. So what I want to do is I want to go to the daily candles and talk about it. And you can already see, boom, there's another descending broadening wedge, which actually on the daily candle started all the way on the 9th of November when we hit the all-time high for Bitcoin. Since then, actually, Bitcoin was consolidating between support and resistance that we already forgot. We broke out here. Well, we formed a lower high, of course, but inevitably, if we are zooming in, you can see what we did so far is we were bouncing from the support, confirming new support, which was previously resistance for Bitcoin. Let me zoom out. We had resistance all the way throughout the last 2 or 3 months. Multiple times. This resistance now turning into support. It is not necessarily confirmed yet. However, the moment where I would confirm this breakout on the higher time frame as to be confirmed is once we are breaking above the previous rejection point. But if you're saying, oh, Chris, this is boring, we have to get above 46,000, this is like something for the future, please zoom out, look at the bigger perspective. Because if we are breaking above the previous rejection point, yes, we are still in bear territory, we are still forming our highs. Yes, I'm not quoting we are gonna go only up from here. What I'm telling you is if this bounce is successful and we are breaking above the previous rejection point, then I would scale up my trade. Then I would go significantly higher on this trade, and I would actually take most of my profits at the previous all-time high. This is what I'm looking out for right now. This higher time frame pattern is something. Almost, I think I didn't see it. If someone talked about it, post it down below. I don't want to be, I don't want to have like not justified talking here. So please leave it down below. If you saw anyone talking about it, I did not see anyone talking about that. But this is the most important thing to look out for. Keep in mind, on the hourly candles, we are having the breakout from this descending and broadening wedge. However, on the daily candles, this is just a small piece, the beginning of a potential confirmation of a daily descending broadening wedge breakout with a price target of 69,000 US dollars. And now you can let me know what you think about that. Actually, I opened my own trade here after I was posting it over on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at MMCrypto with the verification checkmark. I opened a new trade, a small trade, 8.6 Bitcoin leveraged here in a long position. It's right now 10% in profit. I literally opened it before my video recording here. Might be smaller than my trades usually, but it is a beginning of a potential scaling up trade where I am eventually going to put my stop loss in a break even after scaling higher. If this breakout is successful, it could be an interesting one. You let me know what you think about that. And yes, if this one is not successful, I will still stick to my prediction that I am not expecting a breakdown below the 32,000 US dollar area. As I was mentioning multiple times already, we have the average buying price from Michael Saylor, Tesla, Elon Musk, and I see it as a very unlikely scenario that the price will close a weekly candle below these average buying prices from these important and very powerful people in terms of public opinion. The market knows about that. You let me know what you think about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high and follow the Warriors over on Twitter. Actually, now you are getting it on a discount. Make your own research, of course. Invest with your own money, at your own research, at your own risk. But I just posted recently something here about VPAD. It is a long-term project, and if you are joining right now, we are having the Binance Bridge being deployed very soon. Actually, it is fully audited. It is ready completely, and if in the next 2 days we are going to deploy it, we are going to have the NFT launchpad with a few surprises for you and a new project launching very soon as well as a free IDO allocation for VPAD holders. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, and as always, guys, bye-bye.